Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. ABC today's highlights. So, highlight number one: isolated heavy rainfall likely over northeast India and southwest India, especially Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Coastal Karnataka, Lakshadweep, and also over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh during a big moderate to severe thunderstorm activity, along with the squally wind speed reaching up to 90 km per hour, with isolated possibility of hailstorm over northwest, central and adjoining East India today, and heat wave conditions have been abated from most parts of the country. So that is the highlights. Now if we see yesterday's observed weather, heavy rainfall reported over Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Bihar, Uttarakhand and eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, thunderstorm over parts of northwest, east, central, northeast and southwestern India, also over Gujarat and adjoining parts of Maharashtra. Hailstorm activity yesterday occurred over Uttarakhand, Haryana, East Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Dust storm, severe dust storm with thunderstorm accompanied with squally winds speed reaching 80 to 125 kmph over Rajasthan and speed reaching up to 50 to 80 kmph over western parts of Uttar Pradesh. And if we see the data of winds, so yesterday Ajmer Madar railway station reported 122 kmph highest wind in gust. In western parts of Madhya Pradesh, Sihor 94, Jharkhand, East Singhbhum 83, Haryana Sirsa 83 kmph, Odisha 80 kmph, Madhya Maharashtra Jalgaon 74 kmph, Punjab 68 kmph, Delhi Palam 70 kmph, West Uttar Pradesh Bulandshahr 67 kmph, Uttarakhand Roorkee 67 and Gangotri West Bengal Nanda Kumar 63 kmph. Accordingly, Gujarat, Coastal Andhra Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, West Rajasthan, Saurashtra, Kutch, Vidarbha, Telangana and East Uttar Pradesh and Marathwada reported wind speed in the range of 40 to 60 kmph yesterday. And if we see advance of southwest monsoon, so conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of southwest and southeast Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands, some parts of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, some more parts of southwest, west central, east central and adjoining northeast Bay of Bengal and remaining parts of southeast Bay of Bengal during next 3-4 days. If we see the synoptic conditions, so there is a western disturbance roughly over northwest Uttar Pradesh adjoining Haryana region. There is a circulation over central Pakistan, runs from this circulation to northeast Arabian Sea. There is a circulation over Vidarbha adjoining North Telangana. There is a circulation over northeast Bangladesh and there is a circulation over southeast Arabian Sea adjoining South Kerala coast and there is a circulation over east central adjoining northeast Bay of Bengal and the trough runs from this circulation of Bay of Bengal to Vidarbha region. So these are some of the synoptic systems. And if we see the maximum forecast of maximum temperature, so rise is expected by 6 to 8 degrees Celsius over northwest India during next 7 days and gradual fall in maximum temperature likely by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over central India till 1st June. Gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over east India till 3rd and gradual fall is expected by 4 to 5 degrees Celsius over northeast India during 3rd to 6th of June. Fall is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over interior Maharashtra till 4th of June and no significant change in maximum temperature likely over Gujarat till 2nd and thereafter fall by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius and over Telangana fall is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during next 4-5 days. And if we see weather warning, so orange to red color warning is given to parts of northwest, central, adjoining east and north peninsular India. Red color warning is issued for thunderstorm and squally winds reaching up to 90 kmph over Rajasthan, adjoining regions of Madhya Pradesh, especially Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh are in red and also Odisha in red color for severe thunderstorm with squally winds speed reaching up to 60-70 gusting to 80 kmph and some parts of West Rajasthan may report 90 kmph and remaining parts shown by orange color where wind speed can reach up to 70 kmph. Heavy rainfall today is given to Uttarakhand, parts of southwest India and northeast India. Hailstorm activity over these regions shown by orange and red color, especially northwest, central and east India, adjoining northern parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat region. Heavy rainfall also likely over parts of northwest Uttar Pradesh adjoining to Uttarakhand and also over southern parts of Gujarat region adjoining to Madhya Pradesh. And if we see weather warning for first, especially thunderstorm, severe thunderstorm activity is issued with orange color for central India, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Odisha adjoining coastal Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat and northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra. Otherwise, heavy rainfall warning is issued for Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and parts of south peninsular India. Thunderstorm with yellow color likely to moderate to light thunderstorm and wind speed can reach up to 50 to 60 kmph over the regions shown by yellow color. On second, the activity will further increase over Rajasthan. Accordingly, orange to red color is given to Rajasthan, orange color over West Madhya Pradesh adjoining Gujarat and northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra. Otherwise, yellow color for central India adjoining East India, yellow color for thunderstorm is issued and heavy rainfall for Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Lakshadweep and also over Arunachal Pradesh. On third, heavy to very heavy rainfall over Kerala and heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, coastal Karnataka and Lakshadweep and also over northeast India. Otherwise, many parts of country may occur thunderstorm activity on 3rd and 4th. Heat wave may redevelop over Bihar from 4th of June. 5th and 6th, the activity of thunderstorm will reduce significantly. However, northwest and east India may report thunderstorm activity and heavy rainfall over north east India and also over coastal Karnataka, Kerala and Lakshadweep area. The similar warning for 6th. नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत।